Hi guys, in today's video you are going to learn how to transfer Outlook emails to a new computer in 2026. For that, on your old computer, simply open the Outlook desktop application. Here, when you are in your Outlook account, simply hover over to the top left hand corner and click on the option of File. Over here, select the option of Open and Export. Now, once you see this type of option that says Outlook data files, you will see that we have the import and the export options available. So here, between these two options, simply click on the option of export in order to export a file. Here in the right hand section, you will see this get started option. Now, when you hover over to this eye icon, you will see that it is going to show you the pop-up that this particular transfer is going to take a long time. So make sure that you have enough time for the files to get exported in your device. Now, when you click on the option of get started, you need to choose the Outlook data file and hit next again. Then you need to select the email account or the folder that you want to transfer. If you want everything, simply select the account name at the top and make sure that it includes the subfolders. Now click on the option of next and choose a location to save the file. Now Outlook will going to create a .pst file that contains your emails, your folders and archived items. You need to save it somewhere easy to find, like on the desktop or in a document folder. When you click on the option of finish, Outlook is going to create the file and it may take a few minutes if you have a lot of emails. Now you need to copy this .pst file which you have just exported in your old computer. Then with the help of USB or any external hard drive, you need to get it in a new device. Now on your new device, you need to again open the Outlook application. Click on the option of file on the top, then select the option of open and export. Now over here, click on the option of import this time from another program or file and click on the option of start import in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to browse and select the .pst file that you have moved from the old computer. You need to choose where you want the emails to appear. If you want them added to your main inbox, select the email account on the list. After that, click on the option of finish and Outlook is going to start importing your emails and place them in the same folder structure that you had earlier. So once the import is completed, you will see your folders, your messages, your archives available on your new computer. You can now start using Outlook normally. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.